Good morning students, welcome to my channel. Once again repeat that formulas, differentiation, integration formulas. Differentiation of x power n is n into x to the power of n minus 1. Integration of x power n is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Differentiation of x is 1. Integration of 1 dx is x plus c. Differentiation of kx is k, x differentiation 1. Integration of k dx is k into 1 dx integration x plus c. Differentiation of log modulus of x 1 by x. Integration of 1 by x dx log modulus of x plus c. Differentiation of a power x into log a. Integration of a power x dx a power x by log a plus c. Differentiation of e power x. Integration of e power x dx e power x plus c. Differentiation of sin x cos x. Integration of cos x dx sin x plus c. Differentiation of cos x minus sin x. Integration of sin x dx minus cos x plus c. Differentiation of tan x secant square x. Integration of secant square x tan x secant square x dx. Integration of secant square x dx tan x plus c. Differentiation of cot x minus cosecant square x. Integration of cosecant square x dx minus cot x plus c. Differentiation of secant x into tan x. Integration of secant x into tan x secant x plus c. Differentiation of cosecant x minus cosecant x cot x. Integration of cosecant x cot x minus cosecant x plus c. Differentiation of sin inverse x 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Integration of 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx sin inverse x plus c. Differentiation of cos inverse x minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Integration of minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx cos inverse x plus c. Differentiation of tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square. Integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dx tan inverse x plus c. Differentiation of cot inverse x minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Integration of minus 1 by 1 plus x square dx cot inverse x plus c. Differentiation of secant inverse x 1 by x into root of x square minus 1. Integration of 1 by x into x square root of x square minus 1 dx, that is secant inverse x plus c. Differentiation of cosecant inverse x minus 1 by x into root of x square minus 1. Integration of minus 1 by x into root of x square minus 1 dx cosecant inverse x plus c. Another some trigonometric ratios of the integration already proved by using the substitution method. What are that? 6. 4 is integration of tan x dx. Integration of tan x dx is log modulus of secant x plus c. Integration of cot x dx, that is log modulus of sin x plus c. Integration of secant x dx, that is log modulus of secant x plus tan x plus c. Integration of cosecant x dx, that is log modulus of cosecant x minus cot x plus c. These are all basic formulas. Previous class some problems explained already. Integration of sin x, sin of cos x dx. Integration of sin x, sin of cos x dx. This integration we have to find. Here sin x, sin of cos x. Cos x differentiation is minus sin x. That means sin x involved. Here involving the differentiation of cos x, because this is directly we don't know integration of this value. This one convert into our known formulas by using the substitution method. Substitution method means what? Here in that problem involving one function of the differentiation, first we have to find out which function of the differentiation involving. That one first we have to find. Here involving differentiation of cos x. That's why I assuming let cos x equal to t. Cos x differentiation minus sin x dt by dx, that dx equal to dt. This is the dt by dx here. That is sin x dx is equal to the minus dt. Cos x differentiation minus sin x, x dx, t dt, t differentiation. Now this sin x dx, that sin x dx both, this sin x dx totally d minus dt, sin of this cos x is t. Now change of that integration of this sin x dx is minus dt, sin this cos x is t. This cos x is t, this one. That is t. That means this total problem convert into integration of sin t minus dt. Minus writing outside integration of sin t dt. Now we know this formula, integration of sin x dx basic formula. Minus cos x plus c. You can apply this formula. Minus already is there, another minus cos t plus c. Minus into minus plus cos t. Given question is in terms of x, answer also convert into in terms of x. T place again substitute cos x. Therefore, integration of sin x into sin of cos x dx. That is equal to cos of cos x plus. Once again repeat. This is given problem is sin x sin of cos x dx. Here this is not in basic formula type. This one convert into basic formula type. In that purpose, by using the substitution method. Substitution method says what? First, in that given problem, which function of the differentiation involving that suitable function assuming t. Here, which function of the differentiation involving cos x differentiation? Cos x differentiation minus sin x minus multiply, or else that minus shift that side. Let I assuming cos x as a t. Now cos x differentiation minus sin x, x dx, x difference. That is equal to t differentiation dt. Or else this is a dt by dx, this dx here. Sin x, this minus here, right? Sin x dx is minus dt. Actually, this is cos x is minus sin x, t differentiation dt by dx. This is sin x dx equal to minus dt. Like that also can write. No problem. Now sin x dx plus minus dt, cos x plus t. That one sin x dx is minus dt. Sin cos x plus is t. Integration of sin t. Integration of sin x dx minus cos x. Minus already is there. Minus of minus cos t. Minus it means plus. Cos of t means cos x. Next. Integration of square root of ax plus b dx. Integration of square root of ax plus b. Here x is not there, ax plus b. That's why the total assuming t. Ax plus b total, because ax plus b differentiation, a into x differentiation 1, b constant 0, a dx that. That's why that a shift that side. This totally assuming t. Let ax plus b equal to t. A into x differentiation 1, b constant 0, dt by dx. This is a dx equal to dt. But here only dx. Dx equal 1 by a into dt. This dx equal, this a shift that side 1 by a into dt. Once again repeat that. This totally assuming ax plus b as a t. A into x differentiation is 1. B is constant 0. T differentiation dt by dx. This dx A into dx equal dt. Dx equal 1 by a dt. Now this dx place you can write as 1 by a dt. This ax plus b as a t. Now change of that integration of square root of this totally t into dx means 1 by a dt. This 1 by a constant writing outside integration of square root of t means t to the power of 1 by t dt. Now here apply the formula. It is in that form of integration of x to the power of n dx. Integration of x power n dx formula x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. You can apply this formula. Integration of x to the power of n dx x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus 1 by a constant. X means t to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by n plus 1, that is 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. Now 1 by a into t power 1 by 2 plus 1. 1 by 2 plus 1 means t to the power of 3 by 2 by, this is also 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2 plus 6. 1 by a into this 3 by 2 as 2 by 3 into t. T means what? Ax plus b. Ax plus b whole to the power of 3 by 2 plus 6. Again this can be written as 2 by 3a into ax plus b whole to the power of 3 by 2 plus c. Once again, integration of square root of ax plus b dx. This integration we have to find out. Integration of square root of ax plus b. Here, this is not in the basic formula type. Integration of x dx is there. Integration of root x also you can find out by using the same formula. But here ax plus b, a, b constants. That's why this totally I am assuming ax plus b as a t. A into x differentiation 1, b constant differentiation 0, t differentiation dt by dx. A into dx equal dt. But here only dx is there. This a also shift to that side 1 by a dt. Now square root of ax plus b as a t. Dx as 1 by a dt. 1 by a constant writing outside integration of this root of t. This can be written as t to the power of 1 by 2 dt. This, it is in the form of integration of x power n dx, that equal x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Integration of x power n dx equal x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. 1 by a into t power n means 1 by 2, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. T power 1 by 2 plus 1, 1 by 2 plus 1 is nothing but 3 by 2 divided by, this is also 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. This 3 by 2 you can write as 2 by 3. T means ax plus b whole power 3 by 2 plus. This is 2 by 3a into ax plus b whole to the power of 3 by 2. This is integration of square root of ax plus b dx. Suppose same problem here whole to the power of 1 n is mentioned. Integration of ax plus b whole to the power of n dx. Formula like that. Same procedure. Integration of ax plus b whole to the power of n dx. Let assuming ax plus b as t. A into x differentiation as 1. B constant differentiation 0. T dt by dx. A into this dx. A dx equal dt. Dx equal 1 by a dt. Now integration of this totally t. I assumed that ax plus b as a t power n. Dx means 1 by a dt. That 1 by a written outside. Integration of t power n dt. Formula. Integration of x power n dx, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. That means 1 by a into t to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus 1 by a into t means ax plus b whole to the power of n plus 1 whole divided by n plus 1 plus c. This is integration of ax plus b whole to the power of n dx. Integration of ax plus b whole to the power of n dx is 1 by a into ax plus b whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Here observe that in a differentiation of ax plus b is what? D by dx of ax plus b is ax plus b whole to the power of n. That means n into ax plus b whole to the power of n minus 1. A x differentiation 1, b is constant. That means n into ax plus b whole to the power of n minus 1 into a. This is the derivative of ax plus b whole power n. Differentiation of ax plus b whole power n. N into this totality power n minus 1. X a into x differentiation 1, b constant 0. Because first by using the x power n differentiation, after that x differentiation. That means here x coefficient a is multiplied. Here x coefficient a is divided. That is the difference. After that same x power n different integration n plus 1 by n plus 1. Same here is also. But here x coefficient is divided. Here in differentiation x coefficient is multiplied. That is the difference. Okay, nothing to happen there. Same a integration of ax plus b whole power n dx is 1 by a into ax plus b whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus. Next, integration of sin of ax plus b into cos of ax plus b dx. Integration of sin of ax plus b into cos of ax plus b dx. Sin of ax plus b into cos of ax plus b dx. Sin differentiation is what? Cos. Sin differentiation cos. You can assume let sin of ax plus b equal to t. Now sin differentiation cos ax plus b into again d by dx of ax plus b. T differentiation dt by dx. Cos of ax plus b into a into x differentiation 1, b constant 0. This is dx equal to dt. That is cos of ax plus b, this a written out into dx equal to dt. But here only cos of ax plus b dx. This one is there. This a shift to that side. Cos of ax plus b dx is equal to the dt by a. Cos of ax plus b dx is the dt by a. Once again, given problem integration of sin of ax plus b cos of ax plus b dx. Here involving sin of differentiation or else cos of differentiation also you can take. Anyone can assume. Sin of ax plus b assuming t. Sin differentiation cos ax plus b as it is. Sin differentiation cos ax plus b. Again ax plus b differentiation. D by dx of ax plus b. That equal to t differentiation dt by dx. Cos of ax plus b. Differentiation of a into x differentiation 1. B constant differentiation 0. Dx equal dt. Therefore a into cos of ax plus b dx equal dt. But here only cos of ax plus b dx is there. That's why this a shift to that side. dividing. Cos of ax plus b dx equal dt by a. Then substitute. Integration of sin of ax plus b is t. This totally t. This totally dt by dA. The total, this is dt by dA. This is t. Now t power 1. Integration of t power n x power n dx formula. X to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Apply that. T to the power of 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus c. One second. This 1 by a written outside. T dt. 1 by a into t to the power of 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus c. What is that? T means sin of x plus 1 by a into t means sin of ax plus b whole square by 2 plus. That is the integration of sin of ax plus b into cos of ax plus b dx. Once again repeat that. Sin of ax plus b into cos of ax plus b dx. Here involving sign differentiation. Sign differentiation is cos. That's why sin of ax plus b I assuming t. Sign differentiation is cos ax plus b as it is. After that this ax plus b differentiation. dy dx of ax plus b. T by dx. This one as it is. Dy dx of a into x differentiation 1. B constant differentiation 0. Cos of a into cos of ax plus b dx equal dt. Cos of ax plus b dx equal dt by u. Now this is totally t. This one is dt by u. This 1 by a constant written outside, integration of t dt. It is in the form of x power n dx. X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. T power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus c. 1 by a into t means sin of ax plus b. 1 plus 1 2 by 1 plus 1 2. Next. Integration of x into square root of 1 plus 2x square dx. Integration of x into square root of 1 plus 2x square dx. Now here involving 1 plus 2x square differentiation. Because 1 differentiation is 0. 2 into x square differentiation is 2x. That means in terms of x is there. That's why assuming this is t. Let 1 plus 2x square equal to t. 1 differentiation 0. 2 into x square differentiation is 2x dt by dx. That means 2 into 2 4x. This dx 4x dx equal dt. Here is x dx. That means x dx will be required. X dx equal to dt by 4. This x dx is totally dt by 4. This is a t. Now new function integration of this is square root of 1 plus 2x square is t into x dx is dt by 4. 1 by 4 writing outside, integration of root t means t to the power of 1 by t dt. Now integration of it is in the form of integration of x power n dx. X to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. You can apply that. 1 by 4 into t to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. 1 by 4 into t power 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. T to the power of 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c. 1 by 4 into this 3 by 2 you can write as 2 by 3. T means 1 plus 2x square whole to the power of 3 by 2 plus 2 ones 2, that is 1 by 6, 2 into 3 6, 1 plus 2x square whole to the power of 3 by 2 plus. Once again, here involving 1 plus 2x square is differentiation. This integration we required. Here involving 1 plus 2x square differentiation. Let assuming 1 plus 2x square as t. Then 1 plus 2x square t. Then 1 differentiation 0. 2x square. 2 into x square differentiation 2x. T differentiation dt by dx. 2 into 2 4x dx equal dt. X dx this 4 shift dt by 4. Integration of this totally dt by 4. Root of 1 plus 2x square is t. Root of t. This 1 by 4 written outside. T to the power of 1 by 2 dt. This is in the form of integration of x power n dx. Integration of x power n dx x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. T to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus. This 3 by 2 write as 2 by 3 into t means 1 plus 2x square whole power 3 by 2. 2 ones 2 2. 1 by 2 into 3 6 into 1 plus 2x square whole power 3 by 2 plus. Thank you. Every day read that formulas. Integration, differentiation, both also we can read both the formulas. Every day one time write. Thank you.